Now, let's fly it. Look at that. So no compass calibration, just walked around and look at that. What a solid hold. Now in this video, I'm gonna cover a lot of information. Do remember, people, I have Huey UH1 discount codes as well. This is a very important step, and I want you to do it before you fly. You can see the responses are just amazing, even on. Now, one more very important thing I want you to pay attention to. Look at that. It's doing figure eight at this altitude all by itself. How cool is that, man? Without compass calibration, this GPS is working absolutely superb, man. Brilliant. I'm very happy that now people do not have to do that compass calibration dance anymore. By the way, I still have to do a video on those secret features of H1 Lite with this new GPS, with this new shell. The things are just getting better, man. Good improvement, FlyWing.